Now there's one more note value that we need to know about in this level, and that's the quaver. Now a quaver looks very similar to a crotchet. It has the head, it has a stem, but it also has a little tail that comes off it. Now these are half the size of a crotchet. Now again, remember, we're not talking physical size of how you draw it, we're talking about the length of it. So these are half the size. So a quaver can also be called an eighth note. Half of quarter would be an eighth. So either name's correct, a quaver or an eighth note. It's good to get to know both. So that's what it looks like. But I'll just show you one other thing about a quaver. Because these are half the size of a crotchet, two of them would be equal in size to a crotchet as far as length. So that would be equal. But quite often when you see two of them together, instead of drawing them with separate tails, they'll draw them like this. So they'll do the heads the same, the stems, but they'll join them across. Now this part that joins them across there is called a beam. So quite often you'll see them joined together. So whether it's got a beam or a tail, it's still half the size of a crotchet. So those two would still be, again, equal in size to a crotchet. So that's the quaver.